Vince here. So, you want to know how I'm reinforcing the C3 chassis, don't you? Alrighty, me too, because I don't know what I'm doing. Just kidding, I kind of do partially. Alright, so if you'll notice, this side is just a lip. So basically there's a nice big hole here. There's already a piece of 1/8 in there, and then another piece of smaller 1/8. So right now I'm just building these guys with small pieces of metal, kind of like a skeleton, and then I'll go back and fill it all in later and then hit it with the trusty dusty flap disc to make sure everything's all perfect. So I already laid him in and he's nice and intact. So I'm gonna put him in and then I'll start melting all these guys together, and I'm going to put a cross beam here so I can reinforce both sides equally to the front crash bar structure. So we're gonna fix him after we fixed him, and then we're gonna put a reinforcement maybe here across. But I'll fill you guys in on that one. Okay guys, so I just got some tack started, and then I just tapped this down with my trusty dusty hammer, and then now if you'll notice, if you see, I have that slight bend going, so now I'm gonna make this little piece fall right into here, and we're gonna tack them in place. Okay guys, so stick 1 is now complete, even though I can probably use some more of that later. I probably will. So now you see where we're at over here. I've been able to fill in a lot. Now we're just gonna try. So keep filling. And just walk it down the line. And then afterwards we'll do some internal chassis coating. They have these plastic wands, which I'll probably do a video on in the near future, that you attach to the top of your spray paint can, and then it allows you to send a wand in and coat all the internals of your car. So stay tuned for that, and I'm just going to keep on filling here. So if you notice, I try to walk around to fill the circle. You don't want to get the metal too hot in any one area and keep going, because then it won't cool down and it won't set up properly. It's just going to stay liquid, and then you're just going to blow a hole through it. So you have to be patient. You can't get it too hot. You have to allow it to cool. We're almost there. I may have to let him cool a little bit, but I'm pretty impatient, so I want to see this thing filled. Almost there. Swap to the colder side of the bottle. Get caught. Try to get back into the... And there we go, guys. Fully sealed. No water is going to penetrate that. We're going to flap this one to make them extra pretty. So I'm going to continue. If it looks, it's looking pretty good, so I'm going to fill up here next, and then I'm going to do my cross bracing over here. Okay guys, so right now I just finished tacking in my cross reinforcement. This is not necessary, however I'm doing it so that way the chassis doesn't twist, because there are a lot of sins in this chassis and there was a pretty big hole right there, so I wanted to give it a little bit of a fighting chance for some extra reinforcement. So more to come on this later. Please like, comment, subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one on the C3 restoration. Until next time.